How to see your Discord server bans. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to see your Discord server bans easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to Discord, and now this is the homepage. As you can see, choose your server. For example, this is my server. Now click on those three dots right here in the top and click on settings right here. Now after you click it on settings, here you will find your server settings and you will find many options. All what you have to do to find your bans is go down until you find the bans option down below. Click on bans, and here you go. Now right here you will find the banned members on your Discord server, and you can search for members here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.